Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube Music and signing in with the account that owns or saved the playlist. You should use the same email because playlists are account tied. Once signed in, make sure the app finished syncing. If you're on mobile, tap the library icon right away. On desktop, head to the left menu. This gets you to the area that stores playlists, and it prevents showing empty results from another account. Now you go into Library and select Playlists. This is where created and saved lists live. If you have many entries, use the Library search field and type part of the playlist name or an artist in it. This filters faster than scrolling. Once done, use the sort or filter options to show recently played or created first, which surfaces the playlist you likely want. Make sure to expand collapse sections. Sometimes long lists hide under headers. Open the playlist to confirm contents and use the three-dot menu to rename, edit, or download for offline use. You can also add songs directly from the player. Once done, sync changes across devices by keeping the app updated and connected to Wi-Fi. If the playlist seems missing, make sure you're on the correct account, check that filters aren't hiding saved lists, and update the app if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.